This is the Cubot X18 Plus. Now, there isn't going to be a long review here, as Cubot phones, being mid-range, tend to offer the basics at an affordable price. And to be honest, I've reviewed many Cubot models and they seem to always keep on top of delivering the right specs to keep up with the competitors for the year. Now, this hasn't been out that long, but the Cubot X Plus comes in at under £130. And to be honest, for that price, well, keep watching and I'll let you know. So like most of the model phones like these, you get the mere basics in the box. A phone case, your manuals, a charger, and a wall plug. Now if you're in the UK, like me, ensure you request the right corresponding plug, which I clearly didn't do. Now the phone itself doesn't look much different from the Cubot X18 LTE. This affordable guy is packed full of reasonably great specs, such as a full HD screen, which I would say looks fantastic. Viewing and daily usage nowadays requires that crystal clear display, and Cubot are ensuring they are doing that with many of their models like these. You've got a 20 megapixel camera at the back, which isn't too bad. The camera interface is fantastic and offers quite a few features in which to edit and manipulate the camera software. Images come out reasonably sharp and full of contrast. Now the video itself is to be expected. It's not bad, but if you're after a device purely for its camera, probably not the great phone for you. A lot of phones come with at least 12GB of onboard storage, and this guy delivers you 64, so there is a handful of storage there for everyday needs. Lovely feature within the phone is the ability and versatility of having a choice between using 2 SIM cards or a SIM and a micro SD card in a one slot drawer. I think that was pretty neat. Plenty of RAM, and to be honest, thanks to its Android 8.0, I'm always surprised at how fluent the user face and tasks perform on these phones are. General tasks, as you would expect, are handled with breeze, but even when you delve into the manic world of Word and Excel processing within the phone user face, it doesn't really bother it at all. It kind of shrugged it off. Now you have a 4000 undetachable milliamp battery inside, and that offers you about a day's worth of battery. I use this for about 5 hours continuously doing my daily Excel spreadsheets, and I was pleasantly surprised to see just how well the battery handled the usage. I only lost about 28%, which I know for sure is incredible. The fingerprint sensor is fantastic, and the concept has been around for a while now, so companies should be perfecting these by now, and there isn't a problem with this one. The point of contact between the unlocking and the actual touching of the phone is almost lag-free, with about 0.1 seconds of processing, which is brilliant because that's kind of what you need. All in all, if you're after a phone that offers the specs and all-round versatility of affordability, then why not consider a phone like Cubot? Cubot offer mid-range phones at extremely affordable prices, and this one certainly delivers everything that requires it to make it a fantastic daily driver for those looking to save money, or even if you're after a spare phone. Till next time.